Every midnight feels too quiet without you. Even the moon keeps asking where you were. Got your lipstick stain still stuck on my coffee cup. Your perfume on my jacket got me messed up enough. I tried dancing with strangers downtown neon light, but every pretty smile just turns into your eyes.
Girl, you're dangerous, like sugar mixed with whiskey, love. One little memory, now I'm drunk again. Keep calling me at 2 a.m. saying, baby, I just miss my best friend. And honestly, I miss you more. Even my pillows know your name for sure.
I wear your hoodie when the rain falls slow, pretending your arms never let me go. You're my favorite bad habit,
and I don't wanna quit.
Every city feels colder, every song sounds older since you walked away. Let me pull you over into my sweet insanity. Oh, I'll miss you like
vinyl misses midnight,
like champagne
kisses under soft light.
Baby, come back
to my arms tonight.
Only you can make this lonely feel right.
I need your laugh in my room again, your crazy love and your innocent sins.
Girl, you got my heart acting stupid again.
And honestly,
I never want this feeling to end.
You're my favorite melody, my sweetest little tragedy.
I bought roses but they died too fast. Guess flowers know good things never last. So I wrote your name on every song I sing,
hoping somehow you still think of me. You still flirt like a movie scene, smooth like James Dean on a silver screen. And every time you say come here, my whole world disappears.
Let's run away tonight, leave the city in the flashing lights. We can slow dance in the kitchen floor, like we're 21 forevermore.